What's up everyone and welcome back to you on the Moonchart channel. I hope that you are doing very well, and yes, today finally we are going to answer the question if we're dumping here, if we're in a big wave 3, if that was a wave 5, which price we can reach. I am going to give you my opinion on Cardano here. So guys and girls, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to literally smash the like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications if you want to get noticed for future updates. If you want also to join the Discord server, feel free to do it. And yeah, let's start with this. So I'm going to start first of all I'm going to talk about the wave we did here, okay, to the upside. If that was a wave 5, okay, and now we are doing a bigger wave 2, or if that was just a single wave 1, 2. So let's turn invisible waves, okay. So in my opinion, what we did here, okay, in my opinion, we did simply a wave 1 here, okay, wave 1 like that, wave 2 here, and the wave 3 top was not here, as you could see in my previous video, you know, but here, okay, wave 3 top 4, and that will match much more, you know, with target. And the top, as always, for me, I love to just move the top a bit before or after, you know. I like to do that. no, it's just that it match, you know, with wave and targets, you know. So yeah, if you have a look at this, if you just add your Fibonacci level, you know, extension tool from the bottom here to the top here and to the bottom here, you can clearly see that the 161 most common target is touched here, and we have a small retracement. After a big retracement on the wave 2, we can expect a small retracement. That much more, you know, with this. After this, because yes, for me the top was here, okay, just right there. This is not possible in my opinion, because yes, if you have a look, target reached here, we dump it after this, and the target reached is a 200%, and a stop on the 200% on a wave 5 is just not possible, okay, in Elliott wave. So if you drag it just a bit more down, as you can see here, okay, the 261.8, so on this broker price, as always, not touch it. That's Binance, but Binance a bit, you know, for me, I personally don't really use this one for my waves, except, I mean, I started with this for big waves, but I'm not doing any analysis on this Binance price, you know, for smaller, for short term, you know. So if you have a look here, the 261.8 is not touched here, but if you have a look on Bybit, for example, just right there, okay, if I can load my waves, okay, please. Okay, all right, perfect. As you can see here, I just did the same, bottom here, top here, to the bottom here, and as you can see here, the wave 5 is perfectly touched and rejected here, okay. So in my opinion, what we did after this, okay, so what we did, this is just simple, really easy. We just did a flat, okay. The flat is did a 123% of retracement here, as you can see. Almost a perfect touching on this, but the problem is you're gonna tell me, okay, but the C wave, you know, because yeah, I'm going to do you this, by the way. So I just added the B wave, double click on the A wave here. So A, and moreover this, we just have 3 waves, A, B, C here, 3 ways here, and possibly 5 ways here, okay. The thing is, I'm going to talk about this after, you know, but like that here. Sorry, so bottom here, top here, okay. And if you have a look, because if we did 5 ways, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the wave 5 top it out perfectly on the 161.8. and guys and girls, if we do that, okay, if we do that, and we already finished the correction, because yes, in my opinion, we are in this wave 3. Why? Simply because on the RSI, a wave 4 cannot break the wave 2 bottom, okay, and we did it if that was a wave 4. So this is not possible to be in a wave 4 in my opinion. If we go on the weekly, of course that's possible, okay. Wave 1, 2, 3, the wave 3 is the highest reach on the RSI. Wave 4, and wave 4, and as you can see, we are so close to the wave 2 bottom, okay. We didn't broken it, it's not broken, so that's okay. And then wave 5, but yeah, I really don't think about this. I think more about a wave 3, 4 and 5, and the wave 5 top is here, okay, and that's a bigger wave 1 too, and that's why I think we're super bullish on Cardano, okay. So sorry, here I think about this ABC, and if we are super bullish on because yeah, in my opinion, you know, that's not a wave 5, and that's just a bigger wave 1 2 as expected from months, you know. So yeah, by the way, oh no, it's not here, the top. By the way, we sadly missed the top here. I mean, yeah, because I'm going to talk about this because that was not right, you know. In my previous video, you know, I told you that the top for me was here and not here, okay. I was definitely not by a top with the top here, by the way, and in mine, you know. But anyway, the top for me was here, okay. Wave 4 and 5, the top of Cardano expected for this big wave 1, and I mean big wave 1 2 3 4 5, okay, was a bit higher, a bit. It was 3.20, okay. So I mean, when we are approaching a price like that, you have to be I mean, you have to be aware of this price, okay, and you have to pay attention of the price around there, okay, because it's possible most of the time they don't reach, you know. It's a target, but it can change, okay. So so here, if we did a bigger wave 1 2, okay, so yeah, that's what we did in my opinion. Also the top will be here, by the way. And by the way, I just noticed that I placed it wrong, the ABC here, okay. By the way, guys and girls, this is also clearly possible that we just did an ABC like that, okay. So ABC with a 200% target, okay. This is not really common to do that, but the thing is, when you have a super downtrend or super bullish trend, okay, this is clearly possible to reach some other target at maximum target, okay. I think more about this, okay, with 5 ways to the downside, because yes, ABC, it's 3 ways, and then 5 ways, okay. So impulsive most of the time, it can be an ending to here, but yeah, maximum target for the wave 3 is a 161.8. that will match more with the 5 ways. More of this, if you have a look maybe on the 15 minutes here, here, perfect. That will be the wave 5, you know, so that will be the C wave bottom here, okay. And if you have a look, we have 1 2 3 4 5. The only thing that don't really match here, okay, because yeah, there is something that don't really match with this, is wave 1 2, okay. That will be the wave 1 2 3 perfect touch on the 161.8, so most common target. The wave 4 retracement is just really small, okay, so that's not really good. And if you have a look, the wave 5 retraced and stopped out on the 123. I checked it with other broker price, and this is almost the same. So a 123 is definitely not a target for a wave 5. The most common one is a 100%. I mean, the first one is a 61.8, then the 100%, then the 161.8, but the 123, sorry, it's for ABC, WXY, all the things like that, but not a wave 5, okay? I mean, after this, there is a 161.8, then the 261.8, okay? Maximum target, by the way, okay? Do not draw me a wave 5 with a 423.6, this is not possible, okay? Except if we have some extensions inside wave 5, but anyway, that's another thing. So yeah, I think more about a wave like that, okay, that will match more. So alright, like that. So if we did, because yes, I mean, the Cardano is just super bullish. By the way, I'm just going to to change the template of this one, okay. If we did this ABC, if you have a look at the retracement we did from the top, so in my opinion here, okay, and not here. Why? Because simply of this flat, as I told you. Alright, I'm going to drag it like that, it's gonna be easier, I think. Good template. Okay, so if you have a look at this, more over this, when a coin is super bullish, a wave 2 retrace only 38.2, and after this it's a really, but absolutely a rocket to the upside. It's just a big pump incoming, guys. It's not, I mean, I know there is moon in my name, okay, I know there is moon in my name, but it's just because look, I just draw the waves. I mean, I just draw waves that the chart give me, okay, that's all. And I think we're going to moon on some coins, okay, and Cardano, we have chance to moon on this coin too, okay. So yeah, this is really important, and more over this, I mean, a perfect touch on the 38.2 and a bounce after this means a lot, okay. So yeah, I'm going to talk about some other wave on smaller time frames, of course, after this, because yes, keep in mind that a coin have more chance to retrace between 50 and 61.8. Okay, we have 73% chance to stop between these two levels. Okay, we can go more down, of course, like the 90%. If that was a wave 5, we can break the wave 1 beginning here. Okay, the bottom, although the low here. If that's a wave 1, 2, we cannot break the low here, so we can retrace 90%. But anyway, so yeah, that will be the most possible stop here. Okay, for example, if that was just a first wave of a W, for example, WXY, I'm going to draw you that. Just going to move this a bit high here. Perfect. So if that was, for example, a WXY, I mean, if we are in WXY, because yeah, for now I don't see a lot of impulsive, you know, to the upside. So yeah, but more to the downside, by the way. So we're going to see that. Okay. So yeah, for example, here that's possible that we are. That will be okay, a flat here, ABC. Okay, that's possible that we already at the bottom of the wave 2. But yeah, I just prefer to show you some other possible waves here. Okay, this is important that you have to be ready for the possible move. So W, X, okay, and Y, and I'm going to talk about some possible waves we are currently doing. Okay, so we are possibly in 5 ways to the downside. So what does it mean? Just a simple ABC, and that's the most common pattern. Sorry, after I mean in a Y leg. Okay, simply though. To blue small, I'm going to add this like that. Okay, so if you have a look at this, we have some clear 5 ways inside this wave here to the downside. Okay, so I mean, you're gonna tell me the wave 4 break the wave 1 beginning. Yes, but not on some broker price. Okay, if you have a look at this one, if I remember good, if it was Bitfinex, if I can load my waves as always. Okay, I don't want. Yeah, okay, so it was, yeah, don't pay attention to this, this is not really the good one here. Okay, it was on this one, it won that one. So if you have a look at this, on Bitfinex, we didn't touch it and broken the wave on top. So we are possibly in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, like that. And moreover this, we have some perfect 5 ways here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, WXY. Then the wave 3, the wave 4, and now the wave 5, okay, so the wave, the bottom here is trend, okay, we can still be in an ABC, for example, that will explain the 5 ways here and the 5 ways here, okay, that will be just an ABC, a correction to go high after this, and that will be possibly a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, or 5, okay, but that will match more, you know, with a possible pattern I'm showing you right now, okay. So if we are in this WXY, that will explain these 5 ways. Why? Simply because that will be an ABC, okay? So A, 1, 2, anyway, you understood me, 3, 4, and 5, okay, like that. And that will be just the first wave of a wave, okay? I mean, the wave 5 can go a bit lower here, okay? That's not a problem. Just showing the pattern we can do, okay? A, B, retracement, and then C to go to this second green box, okay? Like that, and that will be a possible correction, okay? So ABC flat, then WXY or ABC will be more an ABC, by the way, and then another ABC, okay? Because yes, a WXY cannot finish with a WXY. Okay? You have to know that this is important, okay? So like that. So what I mean, if we just rocket from here, okay, if we did 5 ways now to the upside, we are just ready to moon, literally moon, because yes, if we did a 38.3 retracement, that's just insane, and we are probably going to rocket, but literally rocket, okay. So the wave 3, the bigger wave 3, okay, I'm gonna go on the daily, it's gonna be better for me. But the bigger wave 3, as you can see, I don't remember exactly the retracement we did here, okay? So I'm going to add my Fibonacci level here, almost there. So yeah, that was a 61.8. So yeah, we have more chance to go to the 161.8 target, okay? So that will be more here, but if that was a wave 1, 2, and if we already stop at the wave 1, 2, okay? So I'm going to remove some waves because we don't really see all the waves on the chart, okay? If we did the bottom here, we can expect a wave 3 on the 261.8. I mean, with this wave, not with the bigger one, but we're going to see which one much more, okay? So I don't know, by the way, why is daily always, I mean, I don't know if you noticed this, but daily have always a wick like that, and as you can see on the top of this one, always like that, and it's the same here. And to play the Fibonacci extension, it's just not really good. So anyway, we are going to move this back on this top if I can, of course. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit, I mean, longer than usual, you know. All right, perfect here, and the bottom will be here. Perfect. So if we did a retracement here, I don't say that we are going to stop here, but if we did, I mean, sure, we did the 38.3 retracement here, perfect touch. We can expect a wave 3 first of all to the 161.8, but we have clearly more chance to reach the 261.8. Okay, so we're going to stay with common goals. Okay, during this video, it's not because there is moon that I'm going to the moon. Okay, I'm going to stay with common targets. But yeah, that will bring us to already $5.40. This is just insane, okay? The wave 4 and then the wave 5, okay? So the wave 4, after a small retracement, we can expect a bigger one, okay? So if we start on the 38.2, we can expect a start on the 50% or 61.8, okay? And then the wave 5, and we're going to see if it matches or not. Sorry about this. With the possible wave 3 top, okay, the bigger one. So yeah, it will match with the 200%. Okay, so this is not the most common target for a wave 3. This is not at all the most common target, but this is a possible stop. Okay, so for now, this is what we can read on the chart. Okay, a stop around the 5.88. Okay, it can still change. You know, if should we go more down, it's gonna change the wave. Okay, here. This is just to give you an idea. If we just rocket for now. By the way, guys and girls, you have to know something. If you invest, okay, in crypto, you have to buy step by step. Do not invest 100% directly, okay? For example, I didn't boast 100% of what I was supposed to buy on Cardano here. There is a second green box here, okay? If we just, because yes, for example, if we just dump it from here and I bought here, I just average my price lower, okay? And this is important because mentally it's gonna be easier to support the dump, okay? If you're like, okay, I bought 100% of my wallet here, and now we are just moving to the downside. Fuck, why I didn't boast. I don't buy. I can buy now a bit low, extra. Okay, so you have to buy step by step. Never jump all in 100% directly. This is not a good idea, and this is not how I will invest personally. So that's why there is some green box here. Okay, so buy here, maybe buy a bit lower, because yes, we can. I told you a wave 2 can retrace 90% too, okay? So we can still go a bit more down. That's not a problem, but yeah. Right now it matched too much, you know, with the 38.2 retracement and this ABC. So yeah, we will see what we do, but it's clearly possible that we just rocket from here, okay? But yeah, never jump all in 100% directly. It's important, guys and girls, okay? Really, really important. So if we have a look, yeah, I'm going to move back on the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? The wave 4, because yes, we did a 50% retracement, so here we should be more on a 38.2 retracement, okay? That will be more something like that. So 38.2 will bring us back to $4, okay, around there. And then a wave 5 with a most common target around the 100%, okay? So that will be the 5 waves for Cardano, and after this, that will be the wave 5, okay? Here it will be a wave 5, and after this it will be a bigger wave 1, 2, okay? This is what I read with RSI and by small waves, okay? We are maybe possibly in a wave 5, okay? But with RSI and other waves, this is not what I can read here. And if I'm wrong, you know, you have, I mean, wave 1. That was a wave 5, okay? So that will mean I'm going to go on another broker price, okay? Just to show you what. Okay, there is some waves here. Okay, there is some waves here. All right, I'm going to remove everything here, okay? If that was just a wave, for example, I don't know, I'm drawing something really randomly, you know, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? If that was a wave 5, and now, okay, guys, we are in a wave 2. No, I mean, for me, no, definitely not, but this is clearly possible, everything is possible. Wave 1, 2, okay. You bought, for example, here, like me, okay, here. Alright, sorry about that, it just stopped my, it just paused my recording, okay, so I don't know why. Anyway, so yeah, if you bought, for example, from here, that was a wave 5, and we are now in a wave 2, okay, so you bought here, and that's why by step is important, okay, because yeah, this is a wave 2, and by the way, if you notice, I always hide the date and years on my chart. Why? Simply because I don't predict the date or years, you know, I predict the price, okay, and this is really good already. The day is not really possible, you know, with fib fan extra, you know, I don't really use this. But anyway, so if we did a wave 5 and a wave 2 here, okay, we are in a wave 2, you bought, for example, on the low here. That was your entry here. I don't think we're going to go lower than this, but everything is possible. This is, guys and girls, a wave 2. So what does it mean? A wave 3 after this. So you don't care, you just buy lower, you just add more lower to lower your position, and you're gonna just get a better price, you know, because it's just going to rocket after this. This is wave 3 after it, okay? So you have to understand this, okay? If that was a wave 5, that's not a problem. That's not a problem at all. In trading, you just have to short this, okay? You have to open short. You have to be ready for every possible scenario, okay? So if that was a wave 2, you're just gonna buy the wave 2 bottom, okay? That's simple, okay? And the wave 2 can just be like maybe for years, for months, we don't know, okay? Maybe we're going to dump like that, okay, and range over this price, price, okay, like that. I mean, that would be really low for Cardano, but maybe doing something like that. And after this, finally rocket and finally doing some profit, okay? And your entry will be like between these two green squares, okay? Like here, for example, that will be a bit high, but for example, here between these two green squares, because you added more to the low, and that was just an opportunity to buy lower and to lower your entry price, okay? That's better in my opinion, okay? So every dump and pump is an opportunity, guys and girls. This is really important that you understand this. But anyway, so yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't forget to literally smash the like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more content like that. If you want I analyze the crypto for you, ask me in the comments. I will try to do that for you if I have time, of course. Also, don't forget to join the Discord server. This is really important. I'm really active on it. More with VIPs, that's right, but I work a lot. I mean, there is so much things to do right now on the chart, so that's why I'm not really active with free members. But anyway, so yeah, take care of you guys and girls. This is important, and see you next time.